Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. When Patricia Lanz's husband retired from the Navy, the couple decided to start a new life as innkeepers. But demands on Patricia's time soon became so great she could no longer keep both the business and the garden going. So the garden suffered. After planting in the spring, the garden went unattended. She needed a way to do it all. So born out of her own frustration was a simplified gardening method that uses basic materials and builds healthy soil without the tilling, digging, and constant weeding that we all love and hate. Today the technique is called lasagna gardening, where organic ingredients like newspapers, kitchen scraps, cardboard, kelp, peat moss, manures, shredded leaves, grass clippings, coffee grounds, vegetable peelings, and compost, all stuff that's crying out for a second life, are simply spread out in layers like a lasagna. In her popular book called Lasagna Gardening, which is celebrating 10 years of changing gardeners' habits, Patricia says lasagna gardening copies what Mother Nature does all the time, building soil in layers. Before you do anything, though, take a walk around your property. Check to see where you get the best light. That's where you'll put your garden. Decide on the shape and contents of your garden. The size of your plot will determine how much material you need to make your first lasagna. When you're ready to layer, make the first layer a heavy one to smother existing grass and weeds. Use thick, overlapping pads of wet newspaper and cardboard. Then add 3 inches of peat moss or local soil, followed by 6 inches of organic material, another layer of peat moss or soil, another of organic stuff, and so on, until the beds are crowned. Wet each layer after putting it down. If you're in a hurry, you can create a lasagna garden and plant it all in the same day. To plant, simply pull the layers apart, set the plant in the hole, push the mulch back around the roots, and water it thoroughly. You can even do lasagna gardening in tubs, barrels, and other containers. We're all busy, more than we should be, and I'm afraid I've followed Patricia's pattern by opening a new B&B. You can bet I'll be tracking down my lasagna ingredients as soon as the snow melts. For the UpBeet Gardener, that's UpBeet with 2 E's, I'm Marion Owen in Kodiak, Alaska.